Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa cover song ni Zephanie Demaranan. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to. Alam niyo naman ako guys, I'm a huge fan of Zeph. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. So, here we go.
I've heard it said that people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are led
Grabe, ganda ng boses.
who help us most to grow if we let them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe it's true, but I know I'm who I am today because I knew you.
We got some.
Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes the sun, like a stream that meets a boulder halfway through the world. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, I have been changed for good.
Wow. Ang galing naman ni Zeph, no? Ang ganda talaga ng boses si Zeph. Napaka-angelic, napakalamig kumanta. At talagang pag kumakanta si Zeph, may emotion talaga eh. No? Talagang papakinggan mo eh. And galing. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung kanyang cover song. Ang ganda ng version niya. Alright, kung gusto niyo to guys, bigyan nyo ng malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. Bye po.